Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called What Are the Must Have Appliances for a High End Kitchen? Picture this: you've just stepped into your dream kitchen, the one that would make a celebrity chef stop and stare, where every pot, pan, and parsnip gleams under the halo of culinary perfection. But how do you create this magnificent space? It's all about the appliances. Let's get right into the essential gadgets that elevate your kitchen game from plain Jane to runway ready. First, let's talk about the cornerstone of any kitchen: the range. We're not talking about your run of the mill stove here, folks. A high end gas or induction range offers precision cooking that'll have you searing steaks and simmering sauces with the finesse of a sous chef. Brands like Wolf and Viking are akin to Ferraris in the kitchen world, built for performance and beauty. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Next up is the refrigerator. A sleek built-in model not only preserves the freshness of your groceries, but also seamlessly integrates into your kitchen's design. Look for models with advanced temperature controls and compartments designed for specific produce. The perfect fridge? It's like having a butler who says, "I've got your back," and your Brussels sprouts. How about dishwashers? Make sure you get one that operates as silently as a ninja in a library. High-end dishwashers come with multiple wash cycles and features like steam cleaning, ensuring your glassware emerges clearer than a mountain stream. You want efficiency, not an off-key serenade every rinse cycle. Now, I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A kitchen's shine comes from seamless integration, so ensure your contractor knows about bespoke cabinetry options to keep those appliances tucked, sleek, and harmonious. Of course, we can't forget about that indispensable microwave drawer. Talk about a space-saving hero. It frees up counter space and adds accessibility. Once you've used one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Lastly, wine enthusiasts, rejoice! A wine fridge or cellar is your ticket to chilling your bottles to perfection, adding an air of sophistication and ensuring you're always ready to toast successes, big and small. So folks, when outfitting your high-end kitchen, focus on these key appliances. They're not just about aesthetics or status. They're an investment in convenience, efficiency, and taste. They make every meal a masterpiece, because in a high-end kitchen, culinary dreams aren't just realized, they're exceeded. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.